All of us here today have our own love stories. Some are short, others are long, some are yet unwritten, while others are just getting to the good part. Family and friends, we are gathered here to celebrate the most important moment in this couple's life. Leerin and Charles, you have come here today to mark the beginning and also to celebrate what already is. For in truth, your marriage already exists in your hearts and in your minds. As and Leerin in marriage, we celebrate them as they begin a new family together. Yet we also know that this new branch of the family tree, strengthened and enriched by the love, traditions, and knowledge of their family roots. Leerin and Charles, marriage is a coming together at all levels of your being, mind, body, and spirit. It demands the willingness to be open and vulnerable and the courage to take risks. Marriage is an emotional and spiritual act that consists of
Charles, words cannot express how much you mean to me. You're my best friend, my soulmate, my happy ever after. You're truly my everything. I can always count on you to be there. You make me laugh, you kiss away my tears, you calm me and you comfort me when no one else can. I turn to you for strength.
Leerin, for as long as I can remember, I have been your companion, your open arms, your shoulder to cry on, and most importantly, your best friend. Since the day we met, my love for you has only grown stronger for you. Today is the day our love becomes stronger. Today, tomorrow, and even further on, I promise to always love you, to always protect you, to be there for you, and to always cherish you, always and forever.
May you each complete the unfinished pattern of the other. May your love grow stronger with each passing day. Through patience and understanding, may your love stand victoriously against the storms of life and circumstance. Grow stronger with each passing day. Through patience and understanding, may your love stand victoriously against the storms of life and circumstance. And may you wake each morning to fall in love with each other all over again. And now, by their solemn promises, love and commitment, and in the presence of all, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
I give to you all of my days with the love for all of your ways.
Leerin and Charles, marriage is a coming together at all levels of your being, mind, body, and spirit. It demands the willingness to be open and vulnerable and the courage to take risks. Marriage is an emotional and spiritual act that consists of entrusting our deepest selves into the loving care of another. Today, promises become permanent and friends become family.
With this ring, I'm giving you my all. With this ring, I give to you my all. In the days that we grow old, the times may change, but our love will remain. As we look back on this day now, we stood the test of time, living the promise of our vow. In my life, I can see that you were made for me. I'll be there to catch you if you fall.
This is a promise made in the heart that takes a lifetime to fulfill. It's not one moment. It's not even this moment. It's every moment. Truly, loving another person is the ultimate commitment, which challenges us to become all that we're meant to be as human beings.
With this ring, I'm giving you my all. With this ring, I'm giving you my all.
Like a rainy Sunday morning makes me want to stay in bed, twisted up all day long. You're my inspiration, girl, you take me places, put the words right into these songs. Stealing kisses undercover, babe, see forever when I see your face, and I swear God made you for me. You make it easy, run up on you, make it easy with every little thing you do. You're my sunshine in the darkest days, my better half, my saving grace. You make me who I wanna be. You make it easy. You took all my rough around the edges, never let it ruffle up your feathers, angel. Yeah, now for life you got me wrapped around your finger, and I like it just in case you can't tell. You make it easy, loving up on you, make it easy with every little thing you do. You're my sunshine in the darkest days, my better half, my saving grace. You make me who I wanna be. You make it easy.
Charles and Leanne, remember always that love isn't just a word, it's an action. Love isn't just something that you say, it's something you do. Love is genuine, honest, and open. It is compassionate and kind. It's passionate and love doesn't know space or time, nor look through jealous eyes. Love bears all things. It believes all things. It hopes all things, and it endures all things. Indeed,